you to everyone. And gusto ko lang pong sabihin na I'm so thankful and grateful na you're here with me to parang sort of advance celebration ng birthday ko. And I'm so thankful kasi all throughout my career, dito po kayo to support me. And it means a lot na pati po sa The Blue Quest when you're all here. Sobrang nakakatawa na po. And actually holding my tears back out of me na pinaka pretty. Pero yun, thank you po sa inyong lahat. I really appreciate you all.
And we're also thankful that we have you here right now in our presence, Sophia. Alright.
Meron pong pressure kasi somehow, naturally, parang sweet girl lang talaga ako. Like, very mahinhin, very parang introvert type. And of course, gusto ko naman din ipakita to everyone na I'm now 18, so of course, may pressure and challenge na kailangan parang mas dalaga na, mas mature, but not yung parang mature na sex type. Kumbaga mature na, mas responsible na ako. Mas conscious na ako kung paano ako kumilos, the way I speak. So, sana things go always.
And we're very excited and looking forward for what will happen for you in the next few years. But before we proceed now, let's all have a seat, everyone. We have a seat also as well, Sophia, because right now we're...
Actually, sinalubong ko po yung birthday ko with the cast of Open 24/7. Kasi birthday celebration ko. May taping kami ng Open 24/7. So parang niyaya na nila, sige, let's celebrate your parang age of adulthood. So kumain lang po kami. Then of course, nung afternoon ng birthday ko, I had lunch with my brother and yung family ko po sa side ng ko. Then dinner, nagsama yung plan ako with mommy and Aki.
Yan.
Siguro po ngayong 18 na ako, I'm excited for my growth. Hindi lang po sa personal, yung parang mas magiging daily life na, kundi pati rin po sa career kasi I know na mas lalawak na yung pwede kong gawin ng mga roles, mga projects. Hindi na siya malilimitahan kasi, ay hindi pa siya 18, hindi pa pwede. Yung mga ganun po. And of course, siguro mamimiss ko po yung parang pwede ko ilabas yung parang pagka-kulit ko talaga na talagang makulit. Kasi kailangan talaga like mas mature, mas like siguro yung favorite ko yung talagang pagiging playful ko.
Meron bang advice sa'yo yung parents mo na, oh, now that you're 18, Sophia, you need to do this, you don't need to do this, you need to watch out for this?
Actually, yung mom and dad ko kasi they're both very chill and very cool. Cool parents po talaga sila. Kasi like, ang rule lang nila sa akin, kapag may boyfriend ka na, kailangan parang may respeto rin sa parents. Kasi they believe na parang pag may respeto sa parents mo, definitely yung respeto rin ka rin. So, ayun, parang yun lang yung only rule na sa akin. Kapag may boyfriend na, kailangan ka respeto. Not only sa parents ko, but also sa parents ko. Kasi they believe na kung paano talaga yun ng boy na yun yung magulang. Ganun din nila ako tatagawin in the future. So yun, wala naman silang rules na bawal kong lumabas. Kasi wala, very cool parents ko kasi talaga may parents. I'm blessed.
Yeah, you're blessed.
Kasi po, for me, parang I don't believe na kailangan mo mag-debut para maging bongga. Like, ako po, like, ever since I was 13, like, nanonood na po ako ng mga debut, yung mga same day edit and nice friend, and I've always said, excited na ako pag ako na yung mag-debut. And ang goal ko lang po talaga nun, gusto ko kung pag nag-debut ako, kung ano lang talaga yung gusto ko. It's not to show off, it's not to, kailangan bongga, kailangan sobrang ganda ng setup, gano'n. I just always wanted to do what I want. Kasi I believe na once lang yan mangyari sa buong buhay mo, like every year you have birthdays, pero you're only 18 months. So sabi ko, kailangan memorable siya in the way na I really want to do it. So, kita-kita naman po, tropical Hawaiian. Since mula bata ako, malapit na yung heart ko sa dagat. So, talagang pinangatawanan ko yun. And, which is why my team is tropical Hawaiian.
Kaya, init din kami dito. May ganun ka ba? May special dance?
Wala po akong like solo performance since hindi naman po ako hatawera so sabi ko, ayoko ma-pressure sa birthday ko. Talagang gusto ko lang siyang i-enjoy. Pero yung special dance po, siguro yung 18 roses, I consider all of it special. Kasi yung 18, actually it's not roses, it's 18 tropical flowers. Kasi they won't be roses, there'll be different types of flowers. And lahat po yung 18 tropical flowers na bunnies, they have their own songs na TikTok. So, in a way, it's special to me kasi they chose their songs. So, parang yung friendship namin na symbolize us. I'm really excited.
Something new, parang
Yes po.
TikTok.
Siguro po now I'm 18, mas goal ko lang na maging independent independent kasi ngayon, like, very dependent ako kay mommy since mommy's girl too talaga.
Sa si Mami. Lalayas na po si
Hindi,
Sophia.
di mo pa bias. I mean, like, mas gusto ko na hindi ko na siya masyadong yes. Kasi like, ako po very shy ako. So, like, mami, tulungan mo ako. Like, mas gusto ko na hindi ko na siya stress na masyado since I'm 18. Gusto ko na maging independent.
Ayun. We're very happy.
Yung ano po, yung family house ko po yun.
Ayun.
Sa
Ay,
Lansing.
bahay ninyo.
Yes po.
So,
Akala ko
ang
sorry.
dami mo nang na-achieve at that very young age.
Thank you po.
And congratulations sa iyong pagbibida ng teleserye, Prinsesa ng CJ.
Salamat po. Lalo na everyday, iba-ibang tao yung sa buha. Pero siguro yung biggest lesson na natutunan ko is from all of the veteran actors I've worked with. Like, lahat po sila, they have different advices, pero meron talagang isang advice na lahat sila lang yung sinasabi. It's always to respect your co-actors and always keep your feet on the ground. Kasi lagi nilang sinasabi sa akin, Sophia, tandaan mo, always respect your co-actors. Kasi ang daming magaling umarte, pero hindi lahat ng magaling kasama. Parang they believe na mas mahalaga yung attitude mo more than your talent. Kasi yung talent, namubuhan yun eh. But yung ugali, yun na talaga yun. So they always tell me na stay who you are or and always respect everyone. Like even po yung mga nasa paligid. Kasi mo to, parang baka bukas director na yun and then you have a bad experience with them. So sabi nila, never ka may mamaliit ng tao sa set. Kahit sino pa yan, always respect everyone. Yun.
Anyone you look to or you go to for acting advice?
For acting advice, actually more on kung sino po yung to-work ko at the moment. Hindi lang po yung specifically isa lang kasi I believe na the more na marami akong natutunan, mas marami akong natutunan at ang dami ko pong natutunan na technique. Kasi like lahat ko sila, they have different techniques. So, masaya rin ko na lahat yung narinig ko. So, nakatry ko na, nakapag-explore din ko.
One last thing in new vehicle, are there other things you're currently saving up for or planning to invest in?
Siguro po after my car, I want to invest in a bigger house sa parang area lang ng QC. Kasi I believe na kailangan yun sa priorities. So, lalo na laging around the area yung work and QC is basically the center ng everywhere. So, yun talaga yung goal ko. Kasi of course, si mommy gusto ko rin na convenient din for her reasons. I'm a mommy's girl. Lagi ko po siya kasama. Like, always, everywhere I go. Kung wala si mommy, wala ako. So, gusto ko mag-invest in a house na within the area para madali rin po sa amin dalawa. Lalo na dalawa lang tayo sa group.
Thank you so much and happy birthday.
Is yung mabago ko po yung tingin ng tao sa akin na pabebe. I mean, like, not everyone says it, pero usually when I have bashers, it's what they say. Hindi ko po talaga siya binibig. Like, I really don't mean it to look that way na pabebe. It's just that yung mga nagagawa ko projects, I always have a leading man. And I think it's why they look at me that way. Pero now I'm 18, gusto kong baguhin yun. Guys, I'm not pabebe, it's just my word. So, yung pre resolution ko talaga, gusto kong mabago yung tingin nila na mature na baby life na talaga. So, nung inaayos ko po yung number 1, yung tropical flowers, kasi very hands-on po ako, like, ilang revisions ginagawa ko din sa final mix ng flowers. Kasi gusto ko talaga fun for the guests din. And siguro nung nagpa-production meeting po kami for the whole party, like, ang exciting na naririnig ko na yung mga mangyayari setup by Sir Gary, kung asan yung mga food will place, yung menu ng food, yan po yung food tasting, I really enjoy. Kasi sure po ako na hindi ako makakalit, sobrang tense ko. So yung food tasting, in-enjoy ko na po talaga yung push ko.
That's all from me. Thank you.
Yes, Chan.
We are all sa paparating mong no, debut. Usually, ang inaabangan yung ano yung susuotin kaya ni Sophia on that night. So, ilang costume changes kaya ang magaganap at sino-sino yung mga designer na gagawa ng gown?
Actually yun nga, po dami lang nagtatanong, suot mo, ilang pali. Kasi parang they know me na talagang lagi pa-advise mga outfit. Pero actually po, all throughout the party, I won't be changing. It's just one outfit and then another outfit for the after party. And the reason behind it is, ayoko po yung parang, you're in the middle of the party, ay, kailangan ko naman pala yung ayoko po yung parang may distraction sa akin. Kasi like, ang goal ko lang talaga mag-enjoy sa party. Ayoko yung parang, kailangan ko magpalit para po andar. Like, ginod ko lang po talaga yung comfortable ako. Like, kung may init po ako sa suot ko, it's really comfortable. And I I didn't do it because I wanted to look so bongga. Like, ginawa ko siya kasi gusto ko maging comfortable to show party. And of course, there's only one designer and my only designer, AJ Habur.
In terms
Actually, super hands-on ako sa thought na nung una kong nung sinabi yung tropical Hawaii, medyo naguguluhan ko po yung mga parang theme ng trip mo. Kasi parang, anong tropical Hawaiian? Like, gusto mo ba si dagat gawin? Anong, like, gusto mo ba yung may parang glass skirt? Like, no. Parang it's like modern, tropical Hawaiian, formal. So, lahat po yung talagang dinetail ko. Then, yung guest list, ako po mismo nag-RSVP nun with the help of Team Label. Like, lahat po na nagpapalit sa akin, tinatype ko talaga. Then, ako rin po nag-ayos ng table arrangements. Then, yung music, ng roses. Hindi ko po yung pinabayaan. Talagang every time may revision, pinapakinggan ko siya. Then, lahat ng lineup, inayos ko po. Like, everything is basically me. Like, hindi ko po yung, ay, bahala, okay na yan. Like, even po the food, kami rin namin na, ito, bagay ko sa team. Ito po, but I'm planning to learn na rin agad. Kasi, syempre, mahalaga yun sa pag-artista na marunong ka. Kasi of course, ang daming role na kailangan marunong ka muna. So, kailangan ko marunong ako. Lalo na 18 na ako, hindi ko naman excuse. Hindi ko po ako marunong, may ito po ako eh. So, kailangan talaga ako marunong na po.